Hi everyone and welcome to this talk on Nomad.jl, a derivative-free optimization solver for constraint by bug optimization. Before starting, a bit of context. So we want to solve black box optimization problem for which where your function and your constraint are considered a black box function for which no information is available. What is a black box? A black box is any process that when providing an input, you return one or several outputs, and the inner working of this process are not analytically available. Concretely, black box function can make a long time to evaluate, from some seconds to several hours. Sometimes we can fail for a given combination of inputs, which means that the software behind the simulation behind does not deal with this kind of inputs. Of course, you don't have any information on the structure of the problem, so you don't know if it's convex, non-convex, smooth, non-smooth. Most of the time, of course, it is non-convex. And the most important, no derivatives are available, which means that you cannot use random-based techniques. Despite this constraint, why one would want to use derivative-free algorithms? So there are a lot of applications, and one of the most recent is the tuning of algorithmic parameters. For example, during these last years, a lot of work has been done to automatically tune the tuning of hyperparameters of neural network in the context of deep learning. But it is also present, derivative algorithms are also present in simulation, for example, in the design of helicopter rotor blade or in electrical circuit design. Mathematically, what we want to solve is the following problem. We want to minimize the function f subject to some constraints, where your decision variables are most of the time real, but some may be integer or binary. And contrary to classical optimization, your objective function and your constraint are the outputs of a black box for which no derivatives are available. To deal with this kind of problem, the team in which I am doing a PhD has developed the Nomad solver, which is a solver coded in C++, which contains a state-of-the-art implementation of a math algorithm, the Mesh Adaptive Direct Search algorithm, which is an algorithm specifically suited to deal with this kind of problem. Practically, it works well with small size problems with a number variable going to 1 to 50, but it has been already applied to problems with a number variable between 1000 and 2000. Due to its robustness and performance, it is used in industry. For example, by Boeing, which founded in 2006 and made it open source. It is still used by Hydro-Quebec and it has been used by Amazon. Due to its performance and its robustness, it is also standard when comparing derivative-free algorithms, at least in the deterministic derivative-free optimization community. So I don't know why, but the evolutionary community does not really mention it. So, well, maybe I don't know why, but just the fact. Okay. What is Nomad.jl? Nomad.jl is a Julia interface to the Nomad solver, which communicates with Nomad via its CAPI function. So contrary to other packages, we didn't make the choice to use the 6.jl or 6 wrappers library because we consider them not to be enough stable, and from practical point of view, it is easier to plug Julia to C than to plug Julia to C++. Okay. Why? The first point is that it is easier to use than the C++ interface. So take a look at this one. So you have to create your parameters, you don't even know what is the type, you have to give it a lot of information, and you don't know which one are mandatory or not. After that, at the end, at the bottom of the slide, you have to check them. If it doesn't work, you have to recompile them. Okay, now you want to run your program, so you create an insert of the main step, you give it a parameter, you put your black box into a unique pointer, and you have to run it into a try-catch block. If it doesn't work, well, you have to reconsider it, and otherwise you will maybe after that manage to get your solution. So it's a bit complicated, and I don't mention the fact that you need to compile this code to the C++ library Nomad, which can be a bit difficult. Okay, now take a look at this code in Julia. So you just import the Nomad package, create your Nomad program, give it the good argument, the most important argument, Nomad variable, Nomad inputs, and your black box function. You can add solutions that have been already fixed for you, and you solve the problem by calling the solve function, where the C API functions are called and are not accessible to the user. And as a bonus, you don't even need to compile the C++ library because it has been already integrated in the Nomad package via the use of the Yggdrasil. You could tell me, but okay, but why didn't you implement this algorithm in Julia? So So of course there is a bit of conflict of interest because the team in which I'm working has a long practice with C++. Julia is quite a young language. The second point is that even if we love Julia language, we want it to be accessible to other languages, specifically Python, and from a practical point of view, it is easier to plug C and C++ with other languages than to do Julia with other languages. And the last point is that even if the algorithm is quite simple to understand, it can be a bit tricky to make it really performant and efficient. And here we benefit from a robust and performant implementation, which has been well tested for many years. You could tell me, so there is already the Blackbox Optim.jl package, which is an excellent choice. But last time that I took a look, the Blackbox Optim.jl package is more specifically orientated towards the evolution community. And so there are a lot of stochastic algorithms, and here you have one deterministic, well-tested solver with convergent rules, quite robust and quite performant. The second thing that we want to do, we want to integrate it with JUMP. And you can tell me, well, but JUMP only deals with analytical optimization problems. That's true. But contrary to the Nomad C++ solver, when your constraints are general constraints as Blackbox, we deal specifically with analytical constraints. The intuition behind it is that if you have gradients, you can use them to speed up the convergence. And for example, we implement, you can declare your linear equality relation between your input variables if they have them. And with that, with this information, the solver will be able to solve it more efficiently than without. So what we want with the Nomad.jl package, we want it to be accessible to the whole Julia optimization community as the first, to the best of the knowledge, global optimization solver, which means that it can deal with double constraint and identical conclusion when gradients are provided. As a conclusion, Nomad.jl is an easy-to-use interface to the Nomad solver. Contrary to this one, it has special support for linear quality constraint. Of course, it can deal with integers, binary, and real variables. As a final conclusion, please give it a try. Even if it is robust, we would love to have a lot of feedback to make it possible to improve the C++ solver and the Nomad.jl package. I thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?